The AAPS Pharmaceutical Global Health Award recognizes members for their impact on their communities, both in the United States and abroad, through humanitarian work that may or may not involve the pharmaceutical industry, but which improves public or global health. Annie Degroote is board certified in internal medicine and infectious disease. Early in her career, she found a way to address global health challenges by applying her knowledge of computer science and immunology to design vaccines using computational tools. Her work eventually led to the creation of Epivax, a biotech company where she has served as Chief Executive Officer and Chief Scientific Officer for 22 years. The company's discoveries have contributed to the development of an immune-engineered vaccine for H7N9 influenza and is currently being applied to COVID-19. She also recently launched Epivax Oncology, which uses advanced computational tools to design personalized cancer vaccines based on each patient's tumor genome. She is founder and scientific director of GAIA Vaccine Foundation, a nonprofit organization that works to improve the health of children and families in West Africa. She is also founder and volunteer medical director of Clinica Esperanza, Hope Clinic, a nonprofit organization that provides free healthcare to the uninsured in Providence, Rhode Island. For her exceptional humanitarian work, AAPS is honored to present its 2020 Pharmaceutical Global Health Award to Annie Degroote.
Hi, my name's Annie Degroote. I am the CEO and CSO of Epivax, a company based in Providence, Rhode Island. It's truly an honor to be nominated for the AAPS Global Health Award by my friend and colleague Vibha Jawa of Merck. The passions that have driven me for the past 3.5 decades to improve human health and healthcare access have been cultivated and emboldened by friends like Vibha. As many of my friends know, it's actually dangerous to encourage me like this because either you end up on the board of one of my not-for-profits or you end up coming with me the next time I go to West Africa. COVID has clipped our wings for now, but not for long. I'm really honored to be given this award for something that I'm passionate about, which is global health, which I take to mean improving access to care, preventative measures, and vaccines for women, children, and men of every color, nationality, or religion, or sexual preference everywhere in the world. We at AAPS are fortunate to be scientists who not only have an education that enables us to make a difference, but also to be among colleagues who do care about health equity and about equal access to life-saving medicines. I don't know if my friends have noticed, but I wear a tiny bracelet of beads on my wrist at all times, which was actually probably made by children or women and sold on the streets of Mali. This bracelet serves to remind me about something that's best described as described by the words, by luck of birth. By luck of birth, you and I live in one of the richest countries in the world. By luck of birth, you and I have access to global health, to good health and clean water and preventative health measures and vaccines. And closing the gap between what we experience and what other people experience in the world is really about this mission. Closing the gap between where I live and where I could have been born by luck of birth is a passion that has taken me from women's prisons in New England to bush taxis in Senegal to urban slums in Lima, Peru, Johannesburg, South Africa, and Mali, West Africa. I launched an online journal for prison doctors in 2000. I worked in women's prisons doing HIV care from 1993 to 2009, and I helped to start and currently run a free clinic in Providence, Rhode Island for adults who do not have access to health care. I'm also the founder and scientific director of the Gaia Vaccine Foundation, which is a not-for-profit that serves to improve the health of children and families in West Africa. But most of you know me from my day job, which is to lead the biotech company Epivax that just celebrated its 22nd birthday in 2020. I have served as CEO and CSO of Epivax since the company's inception, during which time we've grown from 3 to 32 employees. My company is very understanding of this fundamental commitment to improve access to healthcare. And indeed, our mission is actually to improve human life everywhere. I take that everywhere literally, and I'm fortunate to have friends like Vibha who encourage me, and that my company does not protest too much when I take off for West Africa or leave early some days to go help out at the free clinic, which is nearby. Whenever I can, I go to Bamako to reconnect with my passion for narrowing the gap between the young men and young women who are aspiring scientists and clinicians in that young country, and to facilitate the transfer of technology that will improve the lives of West Africans. I volunteer evenings and weekends to direct the activities of the Clinic Esperanza Hope Clinic, and I've been able to experience both the beauty of discovery in bench research and the thrill of improving patient lives through field and clinical work. I'm really fortunate that my career continues to be a busy and fulfilling blend of research, clinical work, and entrepreneurship. I'm also a very proud member of AAPS, which has opened my eyes to the many ways that a career in biotechnology can improve human health everywhere. I'm grateful for this recognition by AAPS, and I hope to use this platform to encourage all of us to rededicate ourselves to this mission. Thank you for the recognition, and enjoy your meeting.